Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the Amazon tool deals and checking out the items that I've found for this week. These are either going to be items that are on sale, items that even at their full price or list price I believe to be good deals, or items I find interesting and would like your guys' input on if you guys have used them. But all of these items that we go over today will be linked down in the description for you guys, all with their own independent link. Then I'll have two additional links that says tools and tools continued. Those two links will take you to a long list of tools that I've mentioned in the past or other tools that I suggest. So a lot of good items on those lists. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Let's go ahead and get into this. First item up is the MixPower 1/4-inch drive mid-length socket set. So MixPower and Cassaman are a couple of brands that sell basically the exact same stuff that have become pretty popular on Amazon in the last, I don't know, I'd say year and a half. And they actually have some really good stuff for the price. I'm not saying they're top of the line stuff, but for the price that you can get a lot of these tools at, it's pretty fantastic deals. And they have a pretty good wide range of items as well. So it is nice that MixPower actually offers mid-length sockets. Shoot, there are big name brands out there that don't offer mid-length sockets. So the fact that we can get mid-length sockets from an Amazon known brand, especially at this price, it is at $16.97, down from a list price of basically $18, a dollar off. But the point is they're extremely affordable, and MixPower is known to have some pretty good stuff, especially for weekend warriors, DIYers, so I wouldn't be afraid of these. This is the 1/4-inch drive. They also have SAE, 3/8, metric, and SAE, shallow, deep. I mean, they have a lot of different sets. This is actually their stubby set. So you have stubby, then you have shallow, then you have mid-length, then you have deep well. And this is their stubby set, and that's also at $17. But as far as this set, you're getting 4 through 15 millimeters, so really good coverage all the way up through 15. You're also getting the 5.5 included. So I think that's really good assortment, especially for under $20. And these are 6-point chrome vanadium. There you can kind of see the height difference for the mid-length compared to the shallow and deep. So you do got that narrowing, which I used to find a lot on gear wrench sockets. So I think it's a nice 13-piece set. This has 4.6 stars, 169 ratings. Next up, we're looking at the Evil Energy AN fitting wrench, and I've had this since 2017. Been fantastic. Now, if you're a weekend wear DIYer, or maybe a professional that doesn't deal with AN lines all the time, but you want to have an AN wrench instead of using a standard wrench and possibly damaging the AN fittings, something like this is extremely handy. If you just need to snug some up, you know, maybe you're running a line. The only thing where this isn't great is if you're building lines and you need 2 wrenches. These adjustables tend to be thicker than your standard AN wrench design. If you're going to be building lines, I suggest picking up an AN wrench set or 2 of whatever size you need, because they are thinner and you're able to work together with them. Whereas if you have this, it's just sometimes it's too big when you throw the line in a vise or the fitting in the vise and you go to tighten it all together. The thickness of this can make it more painful, but still overall a fantastic tool to have. Even if you're a weekend wear DIYer that rarely ever deals with AN lines or fittings, having one on hand, it's much better than just using your standard wrench and then taking the chance of damaging. There are other brands out there, but this is the one that I have experience with, and I've been extremely pleased with it. It's $24, but it does have a coupon that brings it down to $22.79, and this has 4.6 stars, 3,935 ratings. Next up, we're looking at the WorkPro Mini Pliers wrench. This is the 4-inch set. I actually have a review coming on this set. I've had it for a couple weeks now, and now this is going to be personal preference. If you're somebody that uses smaller pliers, maybe you work with smaller fasteners, maybe you don't like carrying a multi-tool, I personally prefer just having a small set of pliers and a knife on me. That's just personal preference. I understand these small miniature pliers, they are not for everybody. So whether you're looking at the Cobra style or the Pliers wrench style, they have both. And then both of those designs also come in the black or the silver option, and they're both priced really well. Both designs are basically $15. The list price for this is $17, but it is on sale at $15, and that goes for the silver and black. And I honestly get a lot of use out of these. Now, what I think is funny is the reason this is rated at 3.5 stars, 2 ratings. Well, for one, it's a brand new tool, but this person purchased the tool. They saw 4 inches is part of the product description, so I knew they were going to be small, on the small side, but I wasn't expecting these pliers to be this small, miniature pliers. If you knew what 4 inches was, then you shouldn't be surprised with how small they are. And that's why they gave that rating, because then they go on to say about the overall quality being good. So I hate people that leave reviews like that just because they don't comprehend what they read, or they just don't understand, or it's annoying. But either way, I think it's a great little set. I understand it's not for everybody, but for those that want to EDC a small pair of pliers, this is a really solid option. Next up, we're looking at the Workos HD01. This is one of their flashlights. I started picking up Workos lights last year, maybe 2 years ago now. It was about a year ago. I was extremely impressed with their quality, and they have a ton of different options. This isn't one that I have, but I have 3 different flashlights from them, all very impressive built. They're built like a tank, honestly, and very, very bright. This one is 1200 lumens. It has an RGB light, as you can see there on the side, and green light. You can get this either with what you can see here. When they say green light, they mean the laser. You can either get it with the laser, or you can get another version of this with a UV light instead of the laser. So triple light source, you have your main light, your laser, and your RGB. You can also get it in black or silver. As you can see here, it was at 35, went up to 37, shot up to 50, came down to 36, and now it's at 33, which I think is a very good price for this light. USB-C rechargeable, magnetic base, 1200 lumens, built-in laser, which is great for getting rid of geese if you have a geese problem. There you can see all the different modes for the main light, the side light, different modes, but there's just a little bit more information on it. I think Workos makes some really good flashlights. This has 4.6 stars, 300 ratings. Next up, we're looking at a PB Swiss product. This is their roll-up pouch screwdriver set. This is a multi-blade screwdriver set, so you get an interchangeable handle, or a handle with interchangeable blades, 100% Swiss made. PB Swiss makes some fantastic stuff, but PB Swiss stuff can get quite expensive. Like, I love the PB Swiss bits, but they are outrageous when it comes to pricing. So the only time I'll ever pick up PB Swiss is when I can catch a deal on them. I've been extremely impressed with their screwdrivers and their multi-bit stubby screwdriver that I use all the time. Love that thing. This one, you kind of get your standard length blades. So you get that classic PB Swiss handle, which is like a grit. It's really hard to explain. It's very grippy. It's very comfortable. I like the design of it. You get 4 slotted, like a scratch all there. Scribe, and then you get a Phillips head number 2 and 1. And if I do remember correctly, PB Swiss has also got the more modern Phillips head design, so they should work with JIS as well. And then you also get 2 precision screwdrivers, both slotted. There you can see all of the sizes included, the little roll pouch. And this is the lowest price in 30 days at $77.12. The typical price is basically $83. Looks like it typically sells around $82. So it's down a little bit. Not huge savings, but some savings if you're interested in PB Swiss and you want to try out multiple. This is a good option. This has 4.5 stars, 27 ratings. Next up isn't necessarily a tool, but it's something that I picked up a little while back that I found very, very handy. So I run a lot of fuel lines and brake lines in general. And I just installed a oil cooler on my new GR86. And the way they want you to route the hoses is just really close to some sharp edges of sheet metal. And I've always ran either steel braided lines, or if they're nylon braided lines, I'll even run an external sleeving over top of them. But then I found this, or I came across this, and a lot of people use this on hydraulic lines or air lines for semis. Very, very popular item. There are some other brands that you can't pronounce that sell stuff like this. This is the one that I had actually heard of, so I went with this one. It's still priced really well. Electraduct, this one specifically 3/4 inch, and I installed it on some 10AN lines, and you can literally just wrap it around. You don't have to have the fittings off and slide it down the hose. The fittings, it can be all assembled, and you can just wrap it around the line. You can also get it in different colors. The blue is on sale at $19.80 right now. Yellow is $17.60. The black is $22, so it's not on sale, but it is a really good product in order to protect your lines. You can get it in multiple different lengths. So this has 4.7 stars, 504 ratings. Last up for this week's Amazon tool deals is the AKM 61-piece Thread Restore Kit. This is actually a kit that I got a couple weeks ago, and I've been very pleased with it. I have an old Matco set that I've had for probably 10 years, and it's missing 6 or 7 pieces, and it's pretty worn out, but it is a nice set. It's made in the USA, which is going to be great for those that are in the professional field that may use kits like this on a regular basis. But anybody at home, they probably don't want to drop 100 to 200, sometimes even more, on a set for thread restoring. So I went with this because it's got mine is a 51 piece, this is a 61 piece, so this one has more coverage than my Matco set. It's also made by Lang or K-Star. Snap-on used to sell the same one. They're going to be pretty spendy, especially if you're just wanting to pick one up to have on hand for peace of mind. Saves you from running to the store to have to pick up new fasteners if you just have a nicked edge or thread or just a bunch of dirt and grime and rust in them. You can use this set to restore threads, whether it's a bolt, nut, working with a thread portion of a block, whatever it may be. These have fine thread SAE, coarse thread SAE, as well as metric. You get taps, dies, thread files. You also get a thread pitch checker in both metric and SAE. So really good assortment here, and I've used them already on like 6 or 7 fasteners just in the couple weeks that I had it. Absolutely love this set, especially for the price. So any weekend wearers, DIYers that want to have something like this on hand without spending $100 to $200, if you want the USA set and you're okay with spending that money, those are great sets. But if you're just looking to save a little bit of money and have one on hand for those possible bad days, this is a really good one to consider. They're also engraved really well. My Matco ones are stamped, and some of them are really, really hard to read. These ones you can read much easier. The thread files are nice. You get 3 of them, which my Matco one has 2. So just all around a good assortment. And the material has held up well also. So later on down the road, maybe 6 months, I'll do an updated review on it. But so far, so good. This is at $60, down from a typical price of $63.16. This has 4.6 stars, 163 ratings. So that is it as far as this week's Amazon tool deals. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. Once again, all of these are linked down in the description for you guys. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.